Hello everyone, today I will show you how to model multi-portal frame in Tekla Structural Designer. We create the grid spacing 20 meter, 20 meter and spacing in direction Y is 8 meter. Click on the dimension to check the dimension. You can turn the dimension on or off. Click on the portal frame. You can choose the portal frame in the top view. Select on the base wall and click on the portal frame. Another way, escape, click on 3D, click on the portal frame, regular spacing, span count 2. You model 2 bay of the portal frame by using regular spacing. Here spacing 20, you can use the option. Other way, if the spacing is not the same, you can untick it and use the irregular spacing. This method apply the same with the span count 2 and regular spacing. In regular spacing, click on the first point and click on the second point and edit. Now I just put information column 8 meter and right 2 meter. Click OK and edit 8 meter, right 2 meter. Click OK, OK, complete. For the irregular shape, click on untick it. Click the first point, the second point and the third point. Enter. Edit. 8 meter, right 2 meter. Okay, the same 8 meter and right 2 meter. Yeah, this is how you can model multi-span portal frame by using the option regular spacing or by using the span count and regular spacing. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. For more details, can ask me directly in group. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.